Keeping roads and work sites safe in winter is costly, time-consuming, and unpredictable. Buying pre-made brine or relying on dry salt leads to higher expenses, inconsistent coverage, and supply delays. The complete StormStop system from BARR Plastics solves that. It lets you produce, test, and store high-quality 23% salt brine directly on site, giving you full control over cost, consistency, and timing.
We'll walk through the main parts of the brine production system. Brine maker. Starting with the BARR SBS 750 Municipal Brine Maker, this is where salt and water combine to create brine. Driven by the flow of water, no power. It dissolves the salt and begins the mixing process. Batch tank. After the brine is made, it flows into the batch tank. This is where we check the concentration and confirm the brine is at the correct strength. Bulk storage tanks. Once the brine is confirmed, it's transferred here. These tanks hold the ready-to-use brine until it's needed in the field. Transfer pump number 1. This pump moves brine from the batch tank to the storage tanks. Transfer pump number 2. This pump is used mainly by the truck and sprayer unit operators to fill the onboard tank. Valves and lines. These control the direction of flow. They allow you to move brine from one stage to the next safely and cleanly.
Spill containment. The system sits inside containment to protect the work area and prevent spills.
These components work together to create a continuous, reliable brine supply.
Let's go through how to start and operate the brine production system. Before you begin, make sure the system is set up correctly and safe to operate. Inspect all valves, hoses, and fittings for leaks or damage. Confirm the water supply is connected and available. Verify the batch tank and storage tanks have enough capacity for a new batch. Confirm power is on if your system uses powered pumping. Make sure your hydrometer, test beaker, salt supply, and required safety gear are ready. Turn on the water supply at the source. Check the pressure at the brine maker. Water pressure must be at or below 100 psi. Open the water inlet valve on the brine maker. Allow the water level to rise to the bottom of the viewing window. Once the level reaches the bottom of the window, close the inlet valve. Add clean road salt slowly to the salt fill line. Do not drop large hardened chunks. This protects the injection manifold at the bottom of the brine maker. Filling to the salt fill line ensures proper dissolution for the batch. Open the water inlet valve. Allow water to flow through the salt bed. The system will automatically produce brine. No stirring or recirculation is required during normal operation.
The brine will overflow from the brine maker to the batch tank, equalizing at 23%. When the batch tank reaches full level, the auto shutoff will stop the water flow. If needed, the water flow can also be shut off manually.
Draw a sample from the batch tank sample valve. Place the hydrometer into the test beaker. Confirm the concentration is 23%. The hydrometer tape line should be level with the liquid brine in the viewing tube at the 23% mark. Once 23% concentration is confirmed, open the valve to the storage tanks. Start the transfer pump. Pump the full batch from the batch tank into the storage tanks. Close all valves when transfer is complete. Label the batch as ready for use.
Return to the brine maker. Only when the salt level reaches the low level line, top up the brine maker with more salt and fill it to the salt fill line. Open the water supply and begin the next batch.
Close all valves. Shut off the water supply at the source. Rinse away any spilled salt to reduce corrosion. Record batch concentration and tank levels. Clean and store the hydrometer dry. With our system, you can produce consistent 23% brine whenever you need it. No supply delays, no quality issues, reliable performance every cycle. Our system is ideal for municipalities, highway maintenance contractors, and large facility operators who need dependable anti-icing and dust suppression solutions. Simple operation, proven durability, professional results. If you have questions, need support, or want to review system options, contact BARR Plastics. We are here to help.